Welcome everyone to a new travel video. We have just entered the city of Oaxaca in Mexico and have met up with some friends to start the festivities for Day of the Dead.
We're about to see a Dia de Muertos parade, and over there's like traffic going on because they literally just blocked off the road.
What road?
The main road.
That road? And they blocked it off how? Do you see the fireworks coming?
Yeah.
Many different groups of people came to Oaxaca to honor their dead, each clad with special garbs. Quite a bit of trick-or-treating costumes were in the mix within the crowd as Halloween was just a day past. When we were walking around town, we saw many beautiful pieces of art scattered around every street. Each wall had an elegant mural, as much as every door had culture-rich decorations. We visit many cemeteries across Oaxaca, watching as people gather around to meet their lost friends and family. Aside from the wonderfully chaotic festivities of the Day of the Dead, everyday essentials like water are delivered to the locals' door via truck. Okay, back to the celebration. Oaxaca is definitely a place to be around in the season of Dia de los Muertos. The festivities are rich with culture and as abundant as people. Nightlife in Oaxaca is a truly unique experience. It simply cannot be compared to anywhere else due to the beautiful chaos of it all. To prepare for the festivities, we got our faces painted with traditional skull patterns. Afterwards, we met up with my mom and our friends to go watch a local sports team play. During halftime, cheerleaders clad in traditional costumes would dance around the field.
Ooh, what did you get, Max?
I'm not sure.
We'll try it.
Yeah.
As we headed back, we encountered a parade going through the streets. As tired as we were, none of us could resist one last party.
Okay, there's Max.
Where's Max?
On our way to the park, we purchased some firecrackers. We threw them around, enjoying the atmosphere full of music, dances, and parades.
Ready.
Our parents hid candy around our friend's property as a substitute for Halloween.
Wah, wah, wah.
Since it was just me and my brother, the hunt got pretty competitive.
Oh!
Both of us enjoyed it and had just as much fun as we would back home.
Oh, that's such a scam.
How they put it under one? He did pretty good. He didn't.
If you learn your Spanish, you'll know what that is.
What?
Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to support our adventure, please like and subscribe. Other than that, we will see you next time. Bye!